Okay, so the patient has a primary IV of dextrose in water, 1,000 ml, to be infused over 24 hours. What would the drip rate in drips per minute using tubing with a drop factor of 60 drips per ml? So we want to know the drip rate, and they gave us the units that we're supposed to end up with, which in our case is going to be drips per minute. So this one's kind of got a lot of steps to it. So let's make sure we hit each one individually. And the reason it's called the bridge method is every bridge that I built, you could put it into one long giant bridge and do the math all the way across, and that would work as well. All right, so what do we have here? We have 1,000 mLs over 24 hours. So we'll start off by doing 1,000 mLs, and it's going to run over 24 hours. So what is that? So we do 1,000 divided by 24, and that's going to give us 41, we'll say 0.67 milliliters per hour. All right, so that's our next one. So, but we need per minute, right? That's what our problem wants. So in this case, what we can do here is just simply continue our bridge. So we're going to do 41.67 milliliters per 1 hour. And our conversion factor, like I did in the beginning, is we need to get rid of this hours and turn it into minutes. Okay? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Our hours are going to get rid of. So 41.67 divided by 60 minutes. Of course, it's going to give us a decimal on this one. So we got to be prepared for it. So 0.69 milliliters per 1 minute. The bridge continues. Okay, but we need drips per minute. Well, we got minutes now. We need to get rid of the milliliters. Well, do we have a number up here that says we can do that? Well, of course, we have the 60 drips per milliliter. So we have 0.69 milliliters per 1 minute. Let's finish our bridge here. And our conversion factor is going to be our drop factor. So it's 60 drips per 1 ml. Our mLs cancel out. Look what's left. So we'll do 0.69 times 60. And this will be our drip rate, 41.7. There's our drip rate. So we're going to get 41.7 drips a minute. And there's our answer. That's why it's called the bridge method, because we just build the bridge all the way from here to the end. So I know that was a longer one, but I like to do them one at a time so you guys can see each part of the bridge. But if you wanted to put all these together, you could do it that way too. So hopefully you got through that one. And if you're watching the video, you can always pause it and stop and try to do these problems before I do and see if we can match the answer at the end.